O teka, wait lang Nung sinabi kong pay the slowest, wala akong sinabi huwag kang magbayad. Not paying your suppliers is one of the worst things you can do for your business. I repeat, for your business. Bakit? Kasi your suppliers are the backbone of your business. Pag inayawan ka niyan kasi hindi ka maayos kausap, ano bebenta mo? Paano ka mag-ooperate? Paano mo i-fulfill yung orders ng customers mo? Pag wala kang supply, wala kang benta. Kaya nga 'di ba, sabi ko, negotiate payment terms. Kailangan mong mag-maintain ng maayos na relationship with your suppliers para suportahan ka nila sa requirements ng business mo. And having reliable data on your payables help you maintain that relationship. Kasi kung namo-monitor mo yung payables mo in Xero, One Accounting, or Zoho Books, wala ka ma-miss out na deadline kaya happy yung supplier. Tuloy-tuloy ang supply kaya happy din yung customers. This is the power of accounting automation, and if you're interested to know more, send us a message. Lagi tandaan, basta accounting, i-automate na yan.